Module 5, Lesson 12's objective is to specify the corresponding whole when presented with one equal part. The directions say each shape represents the given unit fraction. Estimate to draw a possible whole. Label the unit fractions and draw a number bond that matches the drawing. The first one is done for you. Again, I'm going to underline estimate to draw a possible whole. I will highlight the word possible because that means there are other possibilities that would give a correct answer as well. I will underline label the unit fractions, and I will also underline draw a number bond that matches the drawing. Now let's look at item 5. The unit fraction that was given in the sample is 1/3. As you can see, that there is a 3 in the bottom portion of the unit fraction. That tells that the whole picture must have 3 equal pieces. The original shape they drew was this one here. This shape is just 1/3 of the whole picture. Next to that shape, you can see they redrew it. They redrew that shape right here. Now, you can also see that they have added the rest of the picture beside it, where the sides are touching. Here's one that they added. Here's another that they added. The one in yellow is the original one that was given. Each part of the shape has a unit fraction of 1/3. The entire illustration shows 1/3, another third, and a third. So the whole picture is worth one whole, and each portion of the picture is worth 1/3. This is how the number bond was created. The number at the top is 1, which stands for the whole entire picture. The circles below it represent each unit of the picture. Now let's look at item 6. Item 6 shows the unit fraction 1/2. The bottom number is a 2. That means that when I'm done drawing, there should be 2 total pieces in my whole picture. Since they redrew the one that was the original one that was given, I'll do the same in the picture I draw. This is the one that they gave us. I'll draw that here. That unit fraction is 1/2. Now I will draw the other half and label the unit fraction. As you can see, my picture now has 2 pieces. It's time to write the number bond. The top circle again will have a 1 in it, which represents my whole entire drawing. The first part of my number bond that comes off of the whole is 1/2. Because the yellow portion, which is the original portion, is worth 1/2 of the whole picture. The other circle that comes off my number bond is also going to be 1/2, because the purple part of my whole illustration is also worth 1/2. Let's look at item 7. The unit fraction is 1/5. 1/5 has a 5 on the bottom portion. That means that when I'm done drawing, there should be 5 equal portions of my drawing. The one that they drew is this one here. I'll go ahead and draw it again here since they did that in the first one. That is worth 1/5. I have to make sure that there are 5 parts in my illustration when I'm done. Here is the second part, the third part, the fourth part, and the fifth part. Each of my parts are equal and are worth 1/5 of the whole entire picture. When I draw my number bond, the top will again be 1. It represents my whole entire picture. Each part of my number bond is worth 1/5. Again, my number bond will have 1/5 written 5 times, since there are 5 equal parts to my whole picture. Number 8 is done just the same. The bottom number on number 8 is 7 in the fraction 1/7. The original picture that they drew is again a rectangle that is represents 1 unit fraction, or 1/7. This means that you will go ahead and draw a slanty rectangle as the one that they gave you and label it 1/7. You will finish this drawing. Make sure that your total drawing has 7 pieces. Don't forget to label each unit 1/7. Then you draw the number bond that matches your illustration. Good luck!